The safety,
Nope, nope.
it goes the other way there, buddy.
Yeah, usually give it a whack and then.
Where's the safety
What
here?
is the?
Right there, on the left.
Just push that and it'll chamber around. Push it in.
Push it in.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That.
Now the safety's right there. Yeah, have it go up. Push down.
Down like in
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
Just like that.
And now you're live.
So you guys are doing what with the bullseye here?
Rob's going to
Dead
the left.
center. Dead center.
Shooting it.
Rob was doing his thing, whatever that was.
Nobody.
Wait. Were you shooting right, Jay?
Left.
No, shoot right. There's too much on the left.
Yeah.